Are you serious? Are you serious? Is God done with America? It's a great question. And of course, I've been preaching, Take Back America. And the Lord told me, as I've been telling you, that in the year 2016 would be a year of a great decision. America would have to choose, the Lord told me, whether we was going to be one nation under God or not. Will we, as a nation, remain one nation under God or not? Also, the Lord, when I was praying, told me, said, as I heard the cries of the children of Israel in Egypt, I have heard the cry of America. Well, now, Billy Graham has just answered the question, is God done with America? And his answer is quite appealing to hear. He says, no nation and no individual is ever totally beyond hope. No matter how far gone they appear to be, God is sovereign, and he is able to bring revival and new life to even the coldest heart or the most rebellious nation. The psalmist prayed, will you not revive us again, that your people may rejoice in you? And he said that in Psalms 85, verse 6. Now, at the same time, when we repeatedly scorn God's ways and continually follow paths that are destructive and immoral, we will eventually pay a terrible price. We will pay it as a nation, leading to conflict and social disruption and widespread evil. And we will pay it as individuals, leading to addictions and broken relationships and unhappiness and even death. The Bible warns, do not be deceived. God cannot be mocked. For one who sows, for whosoever soweth to the flesh, of the flesh shall reap corruption, but he that soweth to the Spirit, of the Spirit shall reap life everlasting. I'm quoting there from Galatians chapter 6. Don't give in to despair. However, instead, turn to God and pray for our nation and its leaders, particularly as we enter another election year. Pray, too, for those around you who do not know Christ, and ask God to help you be a witness to them of Christ's joy and peace. Do they see the Christ reflecting in you? And most of all, he says, however, ask God to bring revival to your soul, a revival of love for Christ and his word, a revival of love for our lost and chaotic world. Jesus commanded his disciples and has never been rescinded. Love the Lord with all your heart, your soul, your strength, and your mind, and love your neighbor as yourself. Yes, God has not given up on America, but has America given up on God? I'll be back with more current world events and how they relate to Bible prophecy. Certainly, we need to take back America through prayer and through our presence and our position and our place where we stand in this God's greatest nation. I'll be back with more in just a moment.